Archana, and today I have came to Jaipur, and this video is all about Jaipur tour, so let's get started. The first place is Mansingh Sthal, and this is the statue of Raja Mansingh. In this video, I will show you 3 my favorite views, and this is the first view. Oh my god guys, just look at the view. It is beautiful. This place is like a garden where beautiful flowers are planted, as you can see. Look at that bottle wala kachra guys, this is not at all acceptable. Apna kura kachra khud hi liya karo yaar. Number 2 is Birla Mandir. Let me tell you guys, this is one of the famous Birla Mandir among all the Birla Mandirs. Shooting was not allowed in this place, so I have put some pictures so that you can understand what is inside. Our India tour?
Well, we start in New Delhi.
Okay.
Now we are here in Jaipur. Tomorrow we are going to Agra, and in a couple of days we are going to go to Varanasi.
We are also from Delhi.
Really?
Yeah. Number 3 is Albert Hall Museum. This is the entrance. This is a very big museum. In this museum, you will get to know the lifestyle of kings and people of those times. This is the front view of Albert Hall Museum. This almost looks like a palace surrounded with gardens on both sides. And here I will show you my second favorite view. Just look at the view guys, it is amazing. There was a huge crowd in this museum, so I didn't record it much, but I recorded this section. This section actually it has all the statues of gods like Shiva, Bodhisattva, Buddha, basically all those gods that were worshipped at that time. And some antique pieces that were used at that time. I recorded this section as well. It consists of arms and armory, as you can see, shields, swords, then guns, all these things that were used at the time where the soldiers, kings are kept in this place. Here is a model of a Senapati is kept here to show that how they used to dress to protect themselves by these iron chains and these extra shields on their chest, heads, hand, legs. Number 4 is Hawa Mahal. From here you have to enter. This is the main gate and this is second entrance towards Hawa Mahal. After entering, this is our Hawa Mahal. It has 360 windows, so that's why its name is Hawa Mahal. It is situated in Tripolia Bazaar and this view is straight to Tripolia Bazaar. The fifth place is Jal Mahal. Just look at the beauty. On both sides it has mountain and it is surrounded with water. Oh my god, this is the real beauty. But for some reasons you cannot enter into the palace, but still this beauty is heaven. Towards Amber Palace, I found someone playing this instrument. To be honest, I don't know the name of this instrument, but he's playing so well, so I thought to make a quick shot on this. This is my third favorite view. From Amber Palace you can see whole Jaipur city, and oh my god, it's amazing. Jaipur without showing camel is incomplete, so here it is. So that was it for the vlog. I went in Jaipur in the month of October 2019 and it was a very nice tour. And yeah, thank you so much guys for helping me out to hit 100 subscribers. Now the next target is 200 subscribers, and again this is in your hands. If you help me, then I will be able to hit that. Okay, now I have made this notes, and here all these things are written which I will talk about. I mean all the informations that you should know, because it will help you if you are going to Jaipur ever, if you plan. So we were 4 and 4 लोग के लिए 2 nights 3 days के लिए हमें 5000 का total cost लगा था. Now let me split. होटल का cost हमारा 1000 per day था, and हम लोगों ने जो sightseeing वगैरह किया था that was also provided by the hotel, and it cost for rupees 800 for the whole day. And food 3 दिन में हम जो भी खाए that was 1050. That was the total cost. How you will go? So मैं गई थी दिल्ली से. So if you are going through Delhi, then my recommendation will be don't book anything. Go to Rajiv Chowk and you will get ample of opportunities, cabs, buses, so many things are there. And 800,000 तक आपको लगेंगे. If you can bargain, then 800,000 ही लगेंगे. And if you are not that much good in bargain, then 1100-1200 भी लग सकते हैं. And if you are going through train and also वो मुझे नहीं मालूम, वो मैं नहीं बता सकती. मैं राजीव चौक से ही गई थी, so I can talk about that. हम लोगों ने गलती किए थे. हम लोग एक बस पहले से ही बुक करके रखे थे, and that was the mistake that we did. उससे ज़्यादा खर्चा भी होता है, and the journey is not at all good, guys. So don't go for that. Just wait in Rajiv Chowk. You will get ample of opportunities. जयपुर जा रहे हो तो at least you take 3 to 4 days, because Jaipur is such a place where you can explore so many things. So just utilize all those maukas and explore. There are so many bazaars. We went in Jauhari and Tripolia. Costs are quite affordable. Each and everything is quite affordable. Now coming to the hotel part. So my recommendation would be, if you are going to Jaipur, then take hotel which is near Sindhi Camp bus stand. उसके सामने railway station भी मिल जाएगा. And Sindhi Camp से आपको if you want to go like Jaisalmer, or if you are going to Agra or Delhi, मतलब आप कहीं पे भी जाओ, वहाँ से ना बहुत सारे बस निकलते हैं. You will get both private and government. वहाँ पे food वगैरह सब कुछ available है. सिंधी कैंप जो बस स्टैंड के सामने एकदम बाजार है. So take hotel there only. Next is food. Foods are affordable. Foods are very nice. Taste is amazing and quantity is also very nice. ठीक है. So food is something which is that I found in Jaipur. Now few foods that you should try when you will go to Jal Mahal. एक कुल्फी वाला दुकान है, ठीक है. वहाँ से ना तो कुल्फी खाना, that is very nice, and पूरा वो मलाई जैसा है. Oh my god, so nice. Okay, have that कुल्फी, and उसका प्राइस 20 था. मुझे ना सब कुछ याद है. Everything is in my memory. The next thing is हवा महल. If you are going to हवा महल, then हवा महल के ही एकदम opposite में ना एक कुलचा वाला दुकान है. उनके कुलचे ना, it's so nice, guys. Have that कुलचा as well. And वहाँ का जो famous food है, that is दाल बाटी चूरमा. वो खाना to be honest मुझे वो अच्छा नहीं लगा, but I will recommend you that if you are going to a place and if it has a famous food, then have it. खराब हो अच्छा हो खा लो. अदर थिंग इज ई रिक्शा और जो भी वहाँ पे जो छोटे छोटे व्हीकल है ना, तो उनका ना कोई फिक्स्ड प्राइस नहीं है. तो ट्राई टू बार्गेन इन ईच एंड एवरी केस. वहाँ के जो ऑथेंटिक बाजार है ना, वहाँ पे ही जाना, क्योंकि वहाँ पे ही आपको अच्छा खासा चीजें मिलेगी. दैट इज अफोर्डेबल, दैट इज गुड. I mean all those things, but don't go to Maharani market or any market those who have those tie-up kind of something. And yeah, that was it for this video. If you like this vlog, if you like this information, then please give it a big thumbs up. And also a big thanks to all of you, a big huggy to all of you for helping me to hit 100 subscribers. And yeah, comment down below what is your favorite place in Jaipur. My favorite place is Amber Fort, of course. वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. So let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite place. And yeah, share this video as much as you can, so all those people who want to go to Jaipur can have all this information in their mind and can enjoy this beautiful vlog. And yeah, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon right next to it to get notified whenever I put a new video. Follow me in my Instagram account. I will put the handle somewhere on the screen or maybe in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. All my previous video links are given in the description box below. Do check it out. I hope you will like it. And yeah, I will see you soon in my next video. Tab tak ke liye, bye.